Hello students, good morning. I am your Jamil sir, going to teach you class 9 physics. Okay. Your first chapter of motion is continuing here. In the last video, we discussed about the equation of motions. Okay. And the derivation of equation of motion by using the graphical method. Firstly, what is the equation of motion? थोड़ा सा revision करके देखते हैं. V is equal to, there are three equations of motion. Equations of motion. There are three equations of motion. First one is V is equal to U plus AT. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AX. Okay, student? ये ऑलरेडी डिस्कस पे हम कर चुके हैं एंड आई हैव गिवन द फर्स्ट डेरिवेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन बाय द ग्राफिकल मेथड इन द लास्ट टाइम. ओके, here is the graph. Suppose here is topic is derivation of equation of motion by graphical method. Graphical method. Okay. By graphical method. This is the topic now. ठीक है. And here is the first equation of motion. I have given the derivation. Second equation of motion. For the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half ut square. The derivation of this. Okay. Then here is the graph already हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं ग्राफ में. This is the graph. Okay, VT graph. Here is the velocity. Okay, velocity in meter per second. And here is the time. Time in second. Okay, this is the time. Suppose a moving body, suppose a moving body having its initial velocity u. Suppose initial velocity is here is point A. This indicates the velocity. There is the initial velocity. Maybe moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. It is moving. This is the uniform acceleration. Okay. Already we discussed about it. This is the uniform acceleration. And after time t, its final velocity becomes v. This is the velocity. Suppose this is the final velocity. Here is the u. Here is the. Then we take a perpendicular from this point B. This is C, and also draw a perpendicular OC, means time axis, from point A. This is the perpendicular. Okay, this is point D. Then in this graph, this shows the acceleration. Acceleration को ये होता है uniform acceleration. Okay, acceleration is equal to slope of the VT graph. Okay. तो स्लोप ऑफ VT ग्राफ मींस एक्सेलरेशन यहां से समझ लेते हैं. हमने लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया है. एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ VT ग्राफ. इसको ऐसे ग्राफ के नीचे आप लिख सकते हो. एक्सेलरेशन A इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ दिस VT ग्राफ. क्या होगा? ये VT ग्राफ क्या होगा? स्लोप क्या होगा? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, मींस BD अपॉन AD. BD अपॉन AD. दिस इज द स्लोप एक्सेलरेशन. ओके, स्टूडेंट इसको हमने लास्ट टाइम में बताया था आपको. फ्रॉम हियर यू ऑब्टेन AD इज इक्वल टू मींस A इज इक्वल टू BD अपॉन AD इज T. वो ये T है, टाइम T है ये मींस T, देयरफॉर यू कैन से BD इज इक्वल टू AT. यू ऑब्टेन दिस इन द लास्ट फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ हियर इज द डेरिवेशन फॉर द सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. नाउ the distance traveled, s होता है ना, s is equal to distance traveled by moving body. क्या होता है डिस्टेंस? s is equal to, हमने ऑलरेडी बताया कि डिस्टेंस is equal to from the VT graph, this is the area of the VT graph. Okay, means area equal to area of VT graph. S means S is equal to area of VT graph. VT graph क्या है? किसका एरिया? This is the rectangle Okay, means OADC is the rectangle and plus triangle ADB means area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Area of rectangle, what is the rectangle? OADC plus area of triangle, what is triangle? ADB होगा ऐसा, ठीक है. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल यू नो, लेंथ इनटू L into B, length into breadth. Length suppose OA and breadth is OA into OC. This you can write OA into OC. This is the area of this rectangle OADC. Okay. Plus area of this triangle half into base into height. Base क्या है हमारा? AD, height है BD. AD into BD. Okay student. Therefore the values S is equal to OA क्या है हमारा? OA is U and OC is T. UT plus 1 upon 2 AD is what? Tan T into BD is equal to 80. Okay, when you multiply this then you obtain UT plus half AT square, T into DT square, AT square. This is the derivation of the first equation, second equation of motion. Okay student, now we are going to give the derivation of the third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2s. देखो ये first equation of motion को हमने last video में दिया है आपको, second equation of motion is here and third equation of motion now time. Solve करते हैं इसको, आप pause the video and complete this. Now third equation of motion. थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन क्या होता है? v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. ओके, इसके डेरिवेशन की बात करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, देखिए इन दिस इक्वेशन यू हैव हियर v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. Here is the s is the distance traveled by the moving body, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration. Here is the final velocity, this is v, this is v final velocity, this is initial velocity u and time taken is t. Here is the acceleration a. Then you have to find out the distance traveled. Now again you have to find the distance traveled. Then again you have to take the area of the VT graph. Okay, so लिखेंगे again distance traveled is equal to area of VT graph. Okay. अब देखो now area of this VT graph you obtain here trapezium. Okay, trapezium देखो कैसे बनता है. ये this is the trapezium OABCO. देखो ये trapezium है. This is parallel sides, means OA and CB is the parallel sides and OC is the perpendicular. Okay, then you can say this is the trapezium. So area of VT graph means area of trapezium. Trapezium. What is the name of trapezium? OABCO. OABCO. This is the trapezium. Okay, student. OABCO. Now this is distance traveled S. S is equal to area of the trapezium. क्या होता है? Half into sum of parallel sides. क्या होता है एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम? सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स. आपको याद होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द पैरेलल साइड्स हियर? OA plus OB means OA plus OB into perpendicular height. What is the perpendicular height? This is the OC. Put the values. Means S is equal to 1 upon 2. What is OA? OA is the initial velocity u plus what is OB? OB is final velocity v into OC is time t. देखो time t. This is equation. This is equation from first year. This. Okay. Now, but in this third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. There is no requirement of the time here. Okay. Then you have to remove this time by using the first equation of motion. Okay. By first equation of motion. What is first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus यहाँ से t हमें फाइंड करना है, मींस at इज इक्वल टू यू कैन से at इज इक्वल टू u को इधर लेके आओगे ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो b माइनस u, देन t इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा b माइनस u अपॉन t. दिस वैल्यू पुटिंग इन दिस इक्वेशन फॉर फर्स्ट, पुटिंग इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ठीक है, पुट कर दो आप, देखो क्या हो जाएगा. देन thus you obtain s is equal to 1 upon 2 u plus b या b plus u ऐसे कह सकते हो, and t is equal to b minus u upon t. देखो डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, डिनोमिनेटर में a है, इधर आकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. then you can say 2as is equal to v plus u b minus u. क्या होता है a plus b a minus b, क्या होता है देखो a plus b into a minus b, rest is equal to a square minus b square. ठीक है, by using this formula you can say v square minus u square. u square को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दो, means 2as plus u square is equal to v square, hence you can write hence v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the derivation of the third equation of motion by this. Okay student, let's solve these derivation of the equation of motion by using the graphical method. Okay student, then after you have to solve some numericals related to this. Okay, bye.